What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be installing this lip on this bumper on my car. I found this bumper for sale on Facebook for 20 bucks. I saw that it had a lip on it. I already removed the bolts, as you can see. It's just messed up right here, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, for now, because I have a bumper that's kind of messed up either way. As you can see, it's not on its best shape, but we're gonna be installing a lip to make it look a little bit cleaner. And it's just for now, because I have this bumper right here. It's a SIR bumper. I'm gonna get it painted, and then we're gonna install it on the car. But for now, we're gonna be running that lip just for a while. I think it's a SI rep lip. Might be mistaken. I don't know. Looks like a SI lip to me, but it's gonna go on the car, which already has SI wheels, so I guess it's gonna match. But it's a Honda Civic EX. But yeah, and I'm gonna be selling this bumper. It's in a decent shape. Kind of scratched up, but as you can see, the paint is there. Looks like it had a bumper quick release. The grill's there. I love like this color, honestly. It looks pretty good. But yeah, so let's get to it. I'm gonna go get my jack. We're gonna jack up the car and install the lip. Show you guys how it looks. And the only reason why I'm making this video is because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of guys out there that might wanna just do like some cheap mods and stuff. Well, this is a way to do it. I found this bumper for 20 bucks. Had a lip on. You know, it's kind of messed up, yeah, but just for now, you know, if you want to make the car look a little bit different, this is the way to go. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so now that you have the car jacked up, you just want to have it like kind of high. That way you have some space to work on right here in this area. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install the lip. I'm not gonna show how because I don't have no one else to help me record. I'm actually recording with my phone, so if the sound quality is bad, you guys already know why. But yeah, let me install this lip and show you guys how it looks after. So after a few tries, this is what I managed to do. Install the lip. It's not the best, but honestly it looks way better. I'm gonna take some pictures and probably throw them on the video so you guys can see what it really looks like. But honestly, it looks way better. I will show a picture of before and after. Like I said, this bumper is messed up, but we got something coming soon. I already found someone that's gonna paint it for me. Once again, it's a SIR bumper. Actually should have test fitted this first, but I don't know, I'll just try some other day. But for now, this is gonna do the trick. So I'll keep you guys updated with the project. I will be making more videos, of course, because I sold my Integra. But yeah, I mean, this is what it looks like. Like I said, I'm gonna take some pictures and show you guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think that these videos are probably pointless, it's fine. But if you guys have any ideas, let me know. And this is what my engine bay looks like. I have to clean it up. And I'll make a video of the car soon, because I'm gonna probably add something right here, you know, a little mods here and there. So stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe if you like. If not, it's fine. God bless. See you guys in the next one.